So let's make sure we also use our token on update and delete requests, because these are the two remaining routes which are protected. So for that, let's maybe start with update place. There we have our HTTP request here, and there we already are attaching a header, but of course we can attach more than one header. We can also add authorization here, and now we need access to our auth object, our auth context. Conveniently, we already got access here, so we can just tap into this existing auth object here and get our token from there. However, remember, what we added to authorization is not just a token, but actually bearer plus token, just a convention we're following here. With that, we're adding the token here, and this should be all for now. Now let's also do this on place item.js, where we have our delete functionality. Here we send a delete request, and at the moment all I do here is set up the URL and then add my method here. Now we certainly need no body, so we can pass null here, but we want to add our headers object. And there we want to set authorization to bearer plus auth token. And we already got access to the auth context object already in this file here. So with that, the token is added to all these requests, and hence we can give that a try and quickly authenticate here with the right user. We will later, of course, also add a functionality to stay logged in. And now if I click edit here and I click update, this works. And if I click delete, this also works. So we are able to update and delete places. We are adding the token there, but we still got missing functionality. For example, we still can delete and update places that don't belong to us. We're having some security mechanisms here on the front end. For example, we only show the buttons if we're the right user, but we could use Postman to delete places which don't belong to us because we have no server-side protection against that. And addition to that issue, on the front end, we have the problem that whenever we reload, we are logged out again, which of course is also not great. So there still is room for improvement.